the weather can leave the exterior of your home looking tired, old, and pretty unsightly. That's why Stonelux have developed Windowsill Stone Coating, a stone effect paint suitable for application onto old, weathered, and pre-painted surfaces. Stone, concrete, lintels, and even wooden windowsills. To ensure a lasting result, you will need to thoroughly prepare the area before painting. Be sure the area is clean, dry, and free from dust before applying the Stonelux primer, to guarantee a result that lasts. For the best results, apply 3 thin coats of windowsill stone coating. After the final coat, the paint will be completely showerproof within 1 hour and weatherproof once fully cured. And you don't have to finish there. You can use it on door surrounds, columns, coin stones, and any of your architectural masonry. Stonelux, the UK's leading stone coating manufacturer, gives you the look, feel, and quality of natural stone at a fraction of the cost.